How to fix TD Canada Trust app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, you can launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgot this network, give a fresh restart to your router, and then rejoin it. Likewise, head back, you can switch the network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Likewise, what you have to do is close this. Launch your App Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, TD Canada, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Now at the right corner of the app, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now on this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app TD Canada. After you find the app, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now I can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app TD Canada. Once app appears, install it. By following all these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix TD Canada Trust app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.